Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video we are discussing an interesting topic, actually an issue which is faced by many people around the world. And the issue is your account is restricted. It means that when you log in your Google account, this error has been published and seen by the different types of user around the world. So how we can solve this issue? So first you just take these steps on mobile phone and as well as on your PC and laptop. So here you can just click on the take steps option. After that you can just forward it to the next page. Here you can see we are forwarding to the next page, and here we can see the two main options: get a verification code sent to your phone, and the second option is skip option. So you just simply click on the get a verification code sent to your phone. So I'm clicking on this option. After that you can see the phone number. It required a phone number, so you must give the phone number which is present in your Gmail account, basically in two-step verification or recovery phone. So I'm just giving my phone number with my country code. Here you can see guys, I'm entering my phone number. After that I'm clicking on the next button. So here most of the people looking for this error. You can see the next page error, which is there is a problem by sending a verification code. It means that this number is not working, which is actually present in your Gmail account, but the Google couldn't verify your account and can't be able to send the code to your mobile phone. So what you can do next? If you can see this error that your code is not sending to your Gmail account, so it's the error that you just used another country number. For example, you just use the UAE number or UK number. So after that you can click on the more to verifies button, and this process is started again. And after that you just again click on the get verification code to send to your phone, and after that you can just write a number of an other country. So after that you can receive your code and recover your email.